Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this video on this logo, basically redrawing it from scratch. This was her line, and the star is a little bit different in the logo. The good thing about it, once you have one star done, you can just flip it. So how I did this star, I'm just going to take away her squiggly line, and there's my line. And all I did was get the star tool and have a 5-sided star, and then let's zoom in here a little bit. This to me is kind of the fun part. Then go up to arrange and convert it to a curve. That way you can take the nodes and put the nodes wherever you want, and we're going to just kind of duplicate the inside of the gray star. And you could spend a long time doing this, or just take your time and do that right there. Now let's take our star and nudge it out of the way, and then go to Windows, Dockers, Fillet, Scallop, and Chamfer, and let's fillet the corners on the inside just ever so slightly, and we got that star pretty close. And then what I would do is go ahead and it's basically a two colored star. Let's put it up back where it was. Let's delete that yellow line, and we're not dead on, but we can still take the shape tool. You know what? It didn't really round my inside corners. Let's do a little bit more. 0.02. Hit apply. Actually messed that part up. Let's go a little bit more. 0.05. Hit apply, and then let's zoom in here. I messed up this one node, but you can just very easily fix that by deleting nodes, or then you could take that node and kind of fill it in. Then what I would do, let's get it a little bit better than that. Grab all these nodes and just kind of move it over a little bit. And then select your item. Let's shut down that, and let's go to Effects, Contour, and let's contour to the outside. Let's say 0.2. That might be way too big, and it is. Let's back up here, 0.02, and let's make our contour in yellow so we'll be able to see it against that black. That's way too big still. You can always just change this to 0.002. That's not enough. So let's go 0.009. Still not enough. 0.05. There we go. That's pretty close. And then you could just fill in these colors. Let's tell you what, let's move them down. And depending on how you're going to engrave this, you could take your Smart Fill tool and fill the inside with gray and fill the outside. You could actually fill it with white. Well, let's do this just for the video. Let's make that a light gray and make the inside a darker gray. And then take that star and move it back up. And it looks pretty close to the logo. And like I said, once you have one star done, all you have to do is flip it around. Let's grab it all. Tell you what, let's put no outline on it. Control D and make a duplicate. And then let's move it over a couple of times, and then let's flip it. And then let's move it over manually right on top of that star. And you could spend a lot of time and change your nudge distance. Let's get rid of her yellow line. And we really can't see the other one. It's covered it up. So you could, well, there it is, the edge of it. Let's change our nudge distance to 0.001. 0.001. Grab the star. I'm going off the screen, so I just get the star. And I start seeing that yellow. And you can see we're pretty much right on top of that logo. We have to move our R over. But that part doesn't take any time. That part's kind of fun. And then after you're done, just move your logo away and fill in your, whatever colors you're going to have. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.